Holy cow, they're everywhere.
What is it?
There's ants. I mean, it's like literally been the day of if it can go wrong, it's gonna go wrong, but.
This is where they have the signs that say, Virginia is for lovers.
Lava.
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 Lover's getaway.
So dorky. That bedroom slide is sometimes finicky.
Yeah.
I can't get it to come out.
Can't get it to come out. You just have to kind of toggle it back and forth.
Oh, I've been toggling.
Well, it's just not working right now.
Alright, I feel like this is turning into a small disaster. Ben just decided to try to pull these out, and now we just have wires. I pray to God this works.
Me too.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure you don't get shocked.
Ah! It's gotta be something simple, but it's like just tracing out where that is. I'm just watching the dog like a hawk, so I know when he does the duty. So I can do my duty. This was a find of an RV park last minute. Completely did not have a reservation where I thought that I had made a reservation just because I did all of our planning so far in advance. This place had an open site tonight, and looking around, there's like plenty of open sites. There's like cabins. Oh, he's doing it.
Good boy.
Yes, I am.
Oh, good doggy.
I'm a good dog. Good dog.
Good responsible pet owner.
Plenty of available sites. You know, it's like year after year. It seems like that we run into it's like campgrounds are booked up, and it's so hard to find something last minute, but plenty of sites last minute. Very nice pull-through site, super reasonable with a good SAM discount, and we didn't even have to disconnect the Jeep because it's just an overnight. Like, this is beautiful. If we were going to be in this Raleigh, North Carolina area for like a while, I would definitely stay here. 3 dog parks. This is one of 3.
How many pools did we say?
2 pools. Oh, there's a hot tub too. Did I tell you that?
Oh,
You
really?
can go relax in the hot tub later.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, and then checkout tomorrow's not until noon, so we can
Sleep in.
sleep in and
Make
eat a
breakfast.
big breakfast and take our time and getting out of here before that we head to the campground outside of DC. So I thought he was gonna poop again. I'm like, really? I think he just was crouching.
What do you think? You like
Yeah,
it?
smelling all the smells. Oh, I love those smells.
Oh, number 8 is like whirly whirly.
What are you guys playing?
Mini golf.
Nice. Who's winning?
I am.
Yeah?
Well, no, there's no winning or losing.
We're gonna do every course, and that
Yeah.
we have to get a hole in one to advance to the next course.
Oh.
Oh.
So close. Oh. Yeah.
One.
You did it.
Holy cow, they're everywhere.
What is it?
There's ants. Like everywhere. We put out these ant traps when we were at home.
Oh my gosh.
There we were parked next to a tree, but here we're not touching any trees, so you have to go see where they're coming in. Are they coming in the wheels? Are they coming in through the electrical cord, or where are they coming in at?
They're literally trailed right along here.
At this trail, they're coming
Coming
through the
right
slide.
through the slide
So
there.
go on the outside and I guess see where the trail's coming up for that slide.
So what I wanted to show you guys here, if we were going to be here for a little bit longer, which we're just packing up and heading out today, so we just went to the office and had the guys bring over some ant killer and sprinkle it out, and that solved the problem. But what we would do is we would wrap this hose with Gorilla Tape backwards. When the ants try to crawl up the hose, they'll get stuck on the Gorilla Tape. And what else we would do is mix up some powdered sugar and borax, and we'd sprinkle it around the side of the RV, kind of like a little perimeter. And then what that does is the ants will take that borax back because they can't determine the difference between powdered sugar and borax. So they'd grab that, take it back to the colony, and then feed the other ants and the queen ant and everything, and it'd kill the whole colony. No more ant problems. We are at the border of North Carolina and Virginia, and this is where they have the signs that say, Virginia is for lovers.
Lava.
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 I love and I usually crave spiced meat.
We're so dorky.
Hey, Lava, let's go get our picture, Lava.
Lava. I feel so amorous in Virginia for some reason. As soon as we cross the state line, man.
Yeah.
So we stopped in and talked to them just at the little visitor center, and they gave us free Virginia is for lovers bumper stickers. So actually one of these is going to go on the RV slide, but that's fun. Love that.
Push through the crossroads and I hit the ground.
So you know how that bedroom slide is sometimes finicky?
Yeah.
I can't get it to come out.
Can't get it to come out. You just have to kind of toggle it back and forth.
Oh, I've been toggling. Was there another trick that you remembered to try to get it to work?
Yeah, usually if you're like standing on your right foot, lift your left foot up.
I'm saying, is there a legitimate trick?
No, toggling it, it'll work. Watch.
All right, I'll keep
you have
toggling.
to have the magic touch.
I'm about to because I've toggled a bunch. I'm about to the place where I'm about ready to unscrew that panel and make sure that the switch connections are secure.
No, you just have to have the right touch. Watch. Come here.
Okay, let's see you.
Come here.
If you do it,
that's fine.
And it goes out.
Gotta have the right touch.
Okay. Oh, no, see. It's still not working.
Wait, just wait. Is the key in?
The key's on.
You sure?
Positive. I double checked. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm about ready to unscrew that.
I think the key's on.
It's on. Look.
Okay, key's on.
See?
Alright. That's the magic touch. Ready? Now let me down, finger. Well, it's just not working right now.
See, it's not just me. I think we're gonna have to unscrew that panel.
Yeah.
See if there's a loose connection. Alright, I feel like this is turning into a small disaster. Ben just decided to try to pull these out, and now we just have wires. This is really scaring me because if this bedroom slide doesn't come out, I can't access a bunch of my clothes. This is gonna be a big problem if Ben can't get this fixed on the fly. He's not the most handy person in the world. Slightly worried right now. Slightly worried. Did you find it?
Yeah, so here it is. Right here.
Alright, well let's see if you're as handy
So we can just
I'm
connect
hoping
them
you are.
right to this.
I pray to God
Flip
you're
the
right.
switch and
Because I still feel like that switch is it's not like a toggle, it's like an on-off.
No, it's momentary.
Momentary?
It's called momentary. So it's a rocker switch basically.
Well, how about you momentarily
So
get this connected?
You toggle it. Yeah, so here's a reason why when you go to buy a part for something else, you always buy one extra because it comes in handy for times like this.
I pray to God this works.
Me too.
Because this is going to be really uncomfortable.
Yeah, because our bed's all squished in. We're going to be crawling over each other. It'll be fun.
Well, here's the bigger problem. I cannot access my clothes.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure you don't get shocked. Ah! Jeez.
I don't hear you drop the camera.
I'm getting shocked by 12 volts.
I have no clue about how this electricity works.
Oh,
This
you don't
is
get shocked by
this
12.
is the perfect time to talk about the course, though,
Yeah,
and
is it cool
how to
too?
learn how to work on your own RV through the home course.
The online home course is a good course to take. It basically, through video, Todd goes over a lot of these different functions. So let's get this attached. Okay, go ahead and turn it.
All right.
Turn the key.
All right, let me go
Give it
get
a
the
shot.
key. I'm going to put the camera down and go turn the key, though. So.
Okay, so I've got everything kind of torn apart here. We're tempted on hitting this manual slide. I mean, worst comes to worst, we're gonna have to just manually pull out the slide just so we can go to sleep. But what I did here was I've put in the new switch, so I've installed the new switch here. So, and it's still, not working, so, but I just put the meter on this connection here, and there's nothing coming. There's not 12 volts coming to this. So that I'm gonna follow this out, which I think that's outside, and check that connection to see what might be going on there, because there's no voltage coming out of that.
This is why we've said, don't RV because they break all the time, and learn
Right.
how to be handy. So we're learning how to be handy. It's got to be something simple, but it's like just tracing out where that is.
Okay, so I see this yellow and orange cable, so I'm gonna go ahead and just, there's a fuse, auto reset fuse here, so I'm gonna pull that and then put that back in. And I'm gonna pull each of these connections and reseat them. So there's that one. Okay, so the key's on now, so let's go ahead. That's connected up, so now let's give it a good test.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be able to sleep. You might want to
Okay.
put the bed down. But hey, the good news is in the meantime, I've been making dinner.
Yeah.
Only took us 1 hour later.
1 hour later.
All right, I'll let you pull that back together.
Yep.
Yay for being handy and not having to call a tech.
See, sometimes you're just forced to be handy.
Yeah, have to do it.
Or else you're gonna pay, it would have cost
Oh my gosh.
$200 to get it.
Easy. Well, that would
for
have
the
been
trip
just
charge,
first. Yeah.
and then an hour minimum. Another $150 to $200, so $400 or $500 trip. And then he would have went out there and just checked the connection.
Just saved ourselves, baby. Woohoo! All right.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow, I was looking and it looks like a lot of the things that we're gonna want to see as far as like the Smithsonian and stuff, they close earlier. So like between 4 and 5, things start shutting down. So we're gonna want to get an early start. We'll be back earlier that way too. But it's gonna be about 30 minutes from here at the KOA to the metro station. And then we'll just ride the metro into the rest of DC. But what's super fun is we did this 3-ish years ago. And so you start off and you're like above ground. It's a train. And then all of a sudden you just go underground, and then you're underground the rest of the way into the National Mall, and then you in this big state. It's so cool. I just can't wait
Sweet.
for you, because you didn't get to
I
do
didn't
it.
get to see it last year.
And then the kids did, but it's been so long. So it's gonna be super fun, but we have to get an early start.
She made deluxe mac and cheese.
This is what happens when it's a travel day and the slide broke and the Jeep battery's dead. I mean, it's like literally been the day of if it can go wrong, it's gonna go wrong. But we persevered. Our marriage is still intact. Our family is still intact. We should be proud.
You proud?
I am proud of you guys. Give me mac and cheese.
You said?
For the dog so rudely
Before the dog interrupted you?
Right.
Flipping it around.
Leva.
Alright, love it. I'm getting B-roll.
There's like something sticking out of the ground here.
Nice. Wave your hair and look all pretty.
All right, so we're gonna go down to the metro station and then get our metro passes.